Hi, welcome to Trees Crafts and More. My name's Teresa. You're looking at my garden after it's overgrown and dried out over winter, and I will be showing you as I restore it, clean it up, and plant. This is the back portion of my garden where I put stuff that I want to keep in more shade, keep it cooler. I have the two nets that hang over. As you can see, everything is in complete disaster. My tree that's always been there. That tree was there before I even started the garden and put the fence up. I have weed eated, and as you're looking at this, I have obviously started to do the garden already. I have weeded around the whole garden on the outside. On the inside, I went and I weeded. I have a lot of grass that grows back up through the garden. I have stored my sandbags that I use actually in the garden. Just total disaster. I have a rosemary plant that stays there. It doesn't, dry out. This bush in the garden over my bird bath that gets cut back. These were green onions, and I just kind of let them go. It was towards the end of the season, and I do plant my green onions probably at the wrong time. Well, I do. I just kind of let them go this year, and they really dried out. These are my strawberry pots, which have dried down, and they're supposed to come back out of it, and I'm going to be hanging them back up on my patio. I filmed this a while back, and you'll see how I progress through each video. I have rototilling to do, raking, digging, weed pulling. This is obviously going to take some time and some days. Next video I'll show you how far I've advanced and how the garden's coming along. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you do, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.